What's up, Minitruck? What's up, Motorider?
What's up?
Take a ride to Home Depot. Woo!
You going nowhere?
Hell no. Mini, bring back some lumber, huh? 12 footers. I gotta grab the rest of the stuff. You haven't been in a mini truck in a while.
Yeah, one time.
Still works. Feel that supercharger. I'm pulling right up front like everybody else. This guy's going the wrong way. Pull right up here. How you doing?
Nice.
Thanks. I have some returns, so I just put them on a cart and bring them here.
Nope, returns are at the other end.
Even if it's wood? All right. It's in the other end.
That's what she said.
And we're all the best vehicle, that's fine. You're going to head on with
Yeah. You too. I'm going to park right in front. Because it's mini truck. See, fits like a glove. Can get you. Got you. Get you again? Jeez. There. I have lumber to return. You want it around there?
Yeah, if you want to just wheel it around here.
Excuse me. Coming now.
Give me a booty. Receipt of the card.
I have the receipt.
Alright, so it's the lumber and the little
yeah.
the brackets down there. Which ones I can find on the receipts, and then if there's anything left over, I can try and give you guys some sort of credit for it.
Yeah.
You seem like a shop here, so I don't think it would go to waste.
Yeah. Hey, I'm a pro. Want me to move that for you? I brought all my wood in. I had a bunch of returns.
Just let you know it's a fire lane, so you can get a ticket.
I had a bunch of lumber to unload.
Alright, it's still a fire lane. They don't, fire marshals don't care.
Oh. Minnie does what she wants. Pick out a mini truck like that.
Well, I was able to find, so this is all the screws and the little
Washer.
washer.
One washer.
My,
Alright.
but I didn't find anchor, and I'm trying to see if I can find the longer joist hangers, because when I scan them individually, those barcodes don't show up.
Leave this here?
Yeah, we'll take care of it.
Alright, thanks. Have a good day. That kid out there that was moving chairs, he's like, oh, you're going to get a ticket. It's in a fire lane. Start giving Minnie attitude, then we're going to have a problem. What are we having, an earthquake? What the heck? What is going on around here? I didn't even touch it. Minnie wants to get involved, huh?
Is that thing worth it?
Oh yeah, I love it.
I want to turn one into an open wheel racer.
Oh, that'd be fun.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'm not even doing it. There's something electronic doing it.
I swear to God.
Something electronic. Brother. Mini truck still runs good. That's probably about right. Thanks again, mini truck. Thanks, Chris. Can't forget to shut the battery. Step out my back door to take a piss. And look, it's a little baby turtle. What's up there, little guy? He's a baby. You're a cute little thing. So I open the camera up and there's no water in there. I mean, it doesn't even look like it got wet at all. Not powering up at all now. See, I don't see any. Usually you'll see that little white powdery stuff. So I'll let it dry a little more, and then I'll take a toothbrush and clean it with some contact cleaner or something. Right? Yeah. I also forgot to mention I had to change this on the Fiero. I did that one video, that one ride. I parked it, went out to start it. Wouldn't start, cranked over, but the tachometer did not move, and that's a telltale sign. Now it was a little corroded. Like there was like a little rust inside that distributor. So this might just be a bad connection here. But I did order a new one because they're cheap. Gotta have one of these as a spare for the Fiero, am I right?
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.